what's it called? I don't know. What this
Flappy
game.
Bird. Ready, wait for me. I'm not even in the app.
Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna start because like this isn't a race. So like yeah.
No, alright, fine. I mean, it's not really that. I mean,
I don't have my volume up. Should I have it up?
no, it's fine. I have mine up.
Okay, I feel like people want to hear the sound effects.
Yeah, but I have mine up. It's just got weird.
Wait, something happened. Am I still recording? Yeah, something. I don't know if you guys saw what happened, but
Yeah, they definitely saw your iPad go like that. Even if you switch it off, you'll still go ahead and play. Oh, I got
dang it! Wait,
my score.
guys, I'm trying. I'm trying to do something.
Alright, down. Alright. I'm getting 2.
Wait, okay. Here's the floating sound effects. So I think we can just play for endless time. So we don't know when we're gonna stop recording. Best score 2. You know what? I'll try and get about. I'll try and get to about. I think high score 30.
High score 6.
I think yeah. I'll get to a high score 50. Goal of this video: get to a high score 50.
No, we're not going to be able to get 50.
We could. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll get a high score 30, but I'll continue. I'll get a high score 30. But yeah. So that's how I'm gonna do this video.
Riley, remember that one time we were like at an arcade machine? And, like,
Yeah. Wait, is this the exact same game?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
And it was like it was meant to be 2-player, but we couldn't even figure it out. So it was called Flappy Tickets, I think.
Oh my goodness, this game is hard.
And then like after we got like ice cream, then there's this Rabbit's VR place. Dude, that was a great time.
You can't even touch the ground or go out of sight. If you do that.
I was scared for a sec.
Okay.
Dude.
Both of these videos will hopefully
you know
be
my high score is 6
on to YouTube. If you're seeing this right now, you know it is.
Like I'm at my high score and I beat it. Dude, I beat my score.
My score's an 8.
My score's a 7. Hi, I'm good.
You're pretty good, but like my high score's a 7. I might be able to get my, I'm going for a 20 because like a 30 seems impossible for a skilled person like me. What kind of skill? I mean, I've never played a Flappy Bird because like it got, I think, it isn't on the eShop.
It got deleted
on the
before
shop.
the actual Flappy Bird got deleted before the
Yeah. So now we're playing this. Flappy
Really?
Bird's yellow, if you guys are wondering.
The writing looks like Scratch, doesn't it? Like,
Oh yeah, it does.
Like when it says like game over, and then there's like the Scratch colors.
Your best score 7. A few seconds ago, I got up to my high score, which is 8.
Dude, so Nintendo Switch on.
Yeah, we still do. So, if you guys are wondering, yes, we have the full game of My Little Universe. We just haven't made a video about it.
Yeah.
If you want to know,
I got the 4.
If you guys want to hear stuff about the,
Dude,
a little stuff about,
fly off the screen, you guys.
I know. If you guys want to hear a little bit about the game, then you can go into our live tab, and you'll be able to see thoughts on My Little Universe, the demo.
Yeah, we can talk about it just right now.
Yeah, so it was fine.
I mean, we were expecting something more special when we fixed the portal with the gems, when it really just takes you to World 2. But hey, World 2 is like 5 dungeons, so...
We're still not complete that, but... I mean, we tried.
Dude, I caught up to your score. Dude, I have a higher score than you.
You have a 9! Yo!
I have a 10.
So we're both trying to get up to a 20, and we can see who gets it
I have an
faster.
11.
Yo, you have an 11, my
I have a
dude.
12.
I might get up there right now, because I'm at a 3.
But I have a 14 now. Oh, 15!
You're not
gonna be that.
I will. I'm getting up to a 20 today.
I mean, you might. It's near.
I mean, for Americans, they're like, finally, I get to, like, it's morning time in America, and they might be, like, watching this video, and they're like, finally, I get to watch a Roy and Riley video when it's already posted. So, yeah,
oh my gosh.
I have a 9. I have a 9.
Dude, you could get there, but
I have a 10.
you could
I'm not going to say what number I have now.
You didn't 11.
Stop looking.
Also,
Yo, stop looking.
you have numbers.
Oh!
Dude, you're so close. But you got a 14 and I was 15. We're acting like a training Pokemon card. Just with numbers. I have a 9.
Okay, now.
Don't mess me up!
Rory, what's your goal to get? I'm going for 20.
I just don't really know what I'm trying to get.
You'll probably end the video when I end the
Dude, I
video.
have a 13. Wait.
Oh! You see, it's really hard to get past the 14th level because, like, you have to get really high. Did you just see that? Okay, I think I'm doing good because I have a 4. As soon as I say that!
I have 3. If you don't like pressing your thumb or finger screen, then you won't like this game because that's really what you do. Yeah,
Or you can go to an arcade and then I think you can play a little
I have a Lucky 7, I have a Lucky 8. No, Mario Kart 7. 10. I keep getting huge numbers here.
I have a 5.
But that was close.
Ooh, 6. I'm not gonna say what number I have now.
I have a 16.
Yo! Can you get to a 20 before me? Oh my
I'm
god.
2 numbers away. Come on, no.
That's my
I got a 20!
Can you get to 21?
21. I
Anyway,
might get to a 30.
you might. Yo, you are insane. How did you get past level 14?
I know I'm insane. I'm only at 30. Look at me go.
Yeah.
Look at me go, bro. Look at me go.
I mean, like, when I wanted to get a upload done, and so, like, I'm at a restaurant, I usually do one of my mobile videos, so I can put my volume down.
I got 32.
I can not put my volume down.
Beat that.
Just you can hear the game, but
Dude,
you can't
that's
hear
double
anybody
16.
else.
Oh yeah, that's double 16. How are you gonna beat that?
I'm trying to get 20.
I have 32. So yeah. That's probably gonna stay as my high score. But again, I could beat it. So yeah, the fans go wild. The Rory fans go wild that I have 32. Oh, that was a low one. That scared me.
I got an 11.
Alright. Good enough, but I have 32.
Like, I'm gonna actually stop recording when I get a 20 because, like, I mean, it's morning time in America, like, in the other side of the
My
world.
goal is to
Right.
get 33.
But right now,
My
it's
goal is to
my
get
turn.
33. Well, actually, my goal is to just get 33. And then I'll keep recording until No. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm here.
Wait, it's still going. What the fuck?
Turn it off.
Right, I'm trying.
Alright, guys, now I just want to get a 15. My goal is to get a 15. I
I
just
thought
need...
you just want to beat my record.
If my goal is to get a 10...
Dude, we're uploading a lot today, and I'm impressed with it.
I mean, this is the only video I've uploaded today.
Yeah, but I'm uploading.
Wow!
I'm uploading like everything for you, and you appreciate it, don't you?
Alright, this is the last try, guys, and then I'm actually done.
Hi guys. So I'm still here.
Okay, last try. Come on, that was a. If I get under 5, then it isn't the last try. Okay.
Yeah, I'm still here. Hi. Hi.
It was under 5. It
I'm
was
uploading my video right now.
so it has to be at least a 6.
So after Riley's video, you can check out me, and then I can prove to you I got the same high score. Whoa! I'm going crazy. What am I doing?
Alright, Roy, this is the last try what I'm doing right now. Because I have above 5.
Just include the word Riley screen in your video title.
Alright, bye guys. My high score is a 14. See you later.
Mine's 32.
I'll see ya tomorrow, I hope. Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you tomorrow, I hope. Because tomorrow is the 15th, which is 2 days away from Mario Wonder. 5 days away from Mario Wonder, and then 2 days away from Sonic Superstars. See you later.
And now check out my video.
Bye.